is a beautiful and worthwhile addition to any home. Not only is it a centuries-old and timeless material, but there are also more benefits to hardwood than meet the eye. Let's debunk the top 5 myths about wood. Feel confident about enjoying hardwood floors in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and comfortable living spaces. Consider this. If wood is used for basketball courts and baseball bats, it can withstand your family's daily activity. Hardwood can also be crafted with innovative finishes for added durability. When life happens, wood floors can look new again and again, no need for replacing. Hardwood maintenance is simple. Wipe spills when they happen and sweep regularly. When it comes time for a deeper clean, choose cleaning products made for hardwood floors that are free from harsh chemicals to protect the finish. If you prefer a shiny, glossy look, apply a polish the same way you'd clean with a microfiber mop. Wood outlasts the duration of a mortgage. Did you know homes with hardwood sell for an average of up to 5% more than homes without? Not to mention, solid hardwood can be refinished multiple times along with thicker veneer engineered hardwoods. As your style changes, so can your floors. Believe it or not, engineered wood can be installed at the basement level. Engineered wood is crafted to withstand moisture and higher humidity. You can enjoy the same qualities of solid hardwood with the added benefit of peace of mind. Engineered wood is crafted with real wood. It's simply reimagined. The top layer is real wood veneer, while a multi-layer wood or innovative base provides enhanced structural stability. Hardwood is a sound choice for a lifetime of beauty and practicality that appreciates with your home. Ready to shop new styles? Explore the wood selection in-store or at flooranddecor.com.